Listen, most people want financial freedom, right? They say, I want to retire early. But here's the problem. Most of them are trapped, and they don't even realize it. And I want to tell you why, because if you understand this, you can get ahead fast. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I promise, you'll see things differently. Think about a river. The river keeps flowing. It doesn't wait for you. But most people stand on the bank, saying, I'll start tomorrow. I'll get ready. I'll do it when the time is right. Let me tell you something. There's no perfect time. The river moves whether you step in or not, and the people who win, they step in. The first trap is what I call the not yet excuse. You know how it goes? I'll start tomorrow when I make more money, when I feel ready. And the truth? Tomorrow becomes next week, next month, next year. Here's the thing. Wealth doesn't come from waiting. It comes from starting small and starting now. The future does not wait for your raise. It responds to your readiness. Trap number 2, seeing your salary as your identity. People say, I make 6 figures, I'm doing all right. Let me be real with you. If all your money comes from your job, you are not a high income earner. You're a high earning spender. True wealth isn't just how much you make, it's how much you keep, grow, and make work for you. That paycheck? It's just a tool. Your financial freedom depends on whether you use it wisely, not on how impressive your W-2 looks. Trap number 3, fear. Fear of losing money. Fear of making mistakes. Fear of looking stupid. And you know what fear really does? It steals your time, your opportunities, your future. I've met people afraid to start businesses, afraid to invest, afraid to take a step forward because they didn't want to look foolish. Meanwhile, life keeps moving. And guess what? The mistakes you make now teach you more than the ones you avoid ever will. Inaction costs more than action. Always. The last trap, thinking it's too late. I should have started in my 20s. I'm 35 now, it's too late. Let me tell you something, it's never too late. Age is just a number. I've seen people start late, make smart moves, and surpass those who started early but waited, hesitated, or never acted. Regret is not a retirement plan. Stop telling yourself it's too late. Start today, right where you are. To avoid making this video overly long, I'm gonna end here. Listen. Life is short, and time is your most valuable asset. These 4 traps, waiting, living for your salary, fear, and regret, steal your freedom. Reflect on which one is holding you back, and then take a step. Just one step. Remember this, small, consistent actions today create massive results tomorrow. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to start. If this video gave you clarity, subscribe and join me for more practical wisdom to build freedom and live life on your terms. Take action today. You won't regret it.